flip it, top it with the bow tie, flipping, stop it, eating all the rainbow cookies, ties are flying through the roof. Not my first pick, but I'll do it.
Hi my loves, so welcome back to my YouTube channel. My name is Ali Cake, and in today's video I'll be showing you how I got this siren eyes look that I found on TikTok on my dark skin. So if you would like to see how I got this look, please keep watching. So I'm going into the James Charles palette and I'm using this dark brown, and I'll be putting that on just my lids and my under eyes and just blending that around. So now I'm going in with this darker brown just to build up the other brown that I just laid down on my eyes. So putting that right on top of that brown just to give it a little more darkness and to bring it out. I'm going into the first brown and I'll be putting that on my upper lid. I'm going in with my liner and I'll be drawing it straight, starting with the bottom of my waterline and going straight out rather than upwards.
Flip it, top it with the bow tie, flipping, stop it, eating all the rainbow cookies, ties are flying through the roof. Not my first pick, but I'll do it. Make the cash last so I can move quick. I push it home with a new whip, cream on top, I'm about to prove it. Pack it, box it, flip it, top it. Pack it, box it, flip it, top it.
Going in with some black eyeliner to line my waterline. And now I'm doing my inner corner liner. And I'll be adding some freckles under my eyes and around my nose for this look. I'm going in with my liquid lipstick from Sacha and I'll be applying that to my lips. Thank you guys so much for watching. Please like, comment and subscribe if you haven't already, and I'll see you guys in my next video. Bye guys.